Hello. Today I'm going to show you a continuity test using our Duspol. If you have a line there, for example, this line here, it is a couple line. That means this is the standard cable design. And if you like to test a continuity, that means is here up to that other side point online, or is there an interruption, you can use your Duspol for that. How we perform this? It's really easy, of course, because this is an easy test, a standard test. The continuity test must be carried out on a system part which are free of voltage. If necessary, the capacitors have to be discharged. This we can handle with these two buttons, okay? That means we go on the conductor and push them, job's done, they are free of voltage. And then we can, after this, switch again there and make a test of it, okay? So, how we perform this? We are going to make a continuity test, for example, on this line here. The lineup is so, we go with one of the tips on one side of the cable, get connection there, and then we go with the other side, with the other probe, on the other side of the cable. If there is a direct line, it will give you an information about that there is a nice line. Yes, that it is. We apply the two probe tips, L1 and L2, to the system parts to be tested, okay? In the case of continuity, that means larger than 100 kilo ohm, an acoustic signal is emitted and the yellow LED screen for continuity lights up. If a voltage is applied to the test point, the voltage tester will automatically switch over to the voltage test function and indicates this function, of course. So we can perform this on a bulb too. This is the standard classic Edison bulb. Let's perform this. Here we are. Yes, it works. My fingers. You have here one and there's the other. That means there the line inside will be in a good condition. Job's done, good. Or you go on a board, for example. You can check there if there is, of course, a special part on it which does not have the possibility of this continuity. Of course, you can diagnose that this part of the board is damaged. So that's easy, of course, because it's fast and reliable. You go there, get the line. Maybe there is an interruption. You think there is an interruption. Then you go with one tip on the one side and the other side, and maybe there is an interruption. There will be no light, no sound, and you know that there is an interruption. If it is a sound to hear and on the screen the ohm symbol is there, you know this is a closed line. This is a not damaged line. This is how to perform a continuity test using your Duspol. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.